Ladies and gentlemen, thank you for joining us to celebrate Eid Al Adha. We would like to welcome you to Festival Bay, the home of Imagine. Tonight we will have 2 fireworks shows immediately after our world-class multimedia and fountain shows at 9 p.m. and
I need a girl like you,
What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. Guys, let me tell you one thing very important. If I'm going to show you a place in Dubai or wherever it is on this world, please go check it out. It is something where you will like it because I have a different taste, my wife has a different taste, and if we both like that place, for sure you guys will love that place as well. Because it's not only me who loves that place, it's also my wife who loves that place, and my friends loves that place, my colleagues and her colleagues likes this place as well. Alright, back to the point. If you guys missed the fireworks which happened day before yesterday in SEEF, Dubai, check out the fireworks. That place you all should go. It's simple, it's in Dubai, just put in a GPS, just drive. It's a beautiful place to go after 6 or 5 p.m. Chill out. The entire atmosphere in that place looks like, you know, a very Asian, Arabian culture type, you know, it's very nice. The place is extremely good. The weather is good. You have the Dubai Creek in front of you. It's a nice location. Actually, you should check out that place. Alright, so today's vlog, it's 23rd of August 2018, the last day of the Eid fireworks in an amazing place. We visited this place a lot of times. I've done a lot of vlogs in that place, a lot of superb events in that place. We are going to that place. This is the 3rd top of fireworks in Dubai. The first one is Burj Khalifa, the second one is JBR Beach, the third one is Dubai Festival City. Exactly guys, this place, it's mind-blowing. You have the imagination show, I don't know what show. Most of the vlogs in my channel are from Dubai Festival City. If you guys missed it, I cannot link it. There are too many on my playlist. Just go to my channel and you can go to the playlist. There's travel vlogs, family vlogs, baby vlogs and all this stuff. Just go to travel vlogs. You can check Dubai Festival City, fireworks, the shows and all that events. A lot of them are there. I heard yesterday one of my friend was there and he was saying that this fireworks is extremely good. You should go and check it out. Like I said, if there is any fireworks, laser light shows, the first place always in Dubai, if you're visiting Dubai, the Burj Khalifa, the Dubai Mall is the first place. The fireworks, the laser lights, you name it, it's number 1. Number 2 is JBR. I could say JBR and Dubai Festival City is the same. JBR, they only have fireworks and you know, there are a lot of activities, a lot of shopping things and a lot of interesting things to do. But Dubai Festival City, they bring the best. So this this vlog is going to be about Dubai Festival City fireworks for the Eid 2018. Dubai Festival City Eid Al Adha fireworks 2018. Let's get started. Instead of me doing a B-roll, I'm not going to do a B-roll on the beginning today because I'm super excited to go to that place. Plus, it's already 7:30 here in the evening. The fireworks starts at 9 p.m. and the next fireworks starts at 10:30. So today is the last day for them. So if you guys missed it, I'm sorry, you're unlucky. So don't worry. Next year they will have something more special, more bigger. Let's get started. So instead of me doing this B-roll like I said and all the slow motion and music and all, let me go to the place directly and let's explore Dubai Festival City. Guys, we are here right now in Dubai Festival City. It is jam-packed as you can see. We are just 5 minutes to go for the fireworks to start. It's really going to be a very good moment in Dubai Festival City. Watch the fireworks.
الأضحى نود الترحيب بكم في عرض تخيل بفستيفال باي. سيكون لدينا الليلة عرضان من الألعاب النارية مباشرة بعد عروض تخيل في تمام الساعة 9:10 و10:30. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you for joining us to celebrate Eid Al Adha. We would like to welcome you to Festival Bay, the home of Imagine. Tonight we will have 2 fireworks shows immediately after our world-class multimedia and fountain shows at 9 p.m. Thank you for joining us to celebrate Eid Al Adha. If you are now leaving Festival Bay, please proceed with caution and follow the directions of our security staff. The main exits are now illuminated and can be found at either end of the mall.
Once only. No. Huh? Guys, we enjoy this fireworks in Dubai Festival City. The best of the best fireworks, but not compared to Burj Khalifa. Burj Khalifa is number 1 and Dubai Festival City is number 2. Guys, here's the thing. I don't know how they do it. This fireworks which is happening in entire UAE, it's mind-blowing. Today I saw, actually I've been seeing a lot of fireworks here in UAE. Me being an Indian, I don't see much of them. Maybe yes, I see, maybe others would have seen better things, but they nailed it today. The crowd was extremely jam-packed. They were like, cannot move. Me and my wife and my son, we went to the extreme level to the other side where we can capture it peacefully. So we walk. There's the wheel, like giant wheel. Which is not the Dubai Eye. The Dubai is in Jebia, just for information. So we went there and we were sitting down there, and then the crowd was building up. The humidity as usual, it was different. But yes, hats off, well organized. The crowd was massive, but the securities in Dubai Festival City, this is for you guys. So yeah, we had a very good time. The fireworks was simply awesome. They had this laser light, not laser light, it's some show which I was not able to capture it because I was totally busy. As you can see the vlog, I was totally busy. But I had 2 cameras, one is the Canon and another one was the Nikon. So I was just placing them on site to capture the fireworks and the show. But then, it was rush and I had to run here, there. But anyway, I've captured it, so that's the main thing. The reason why I went there, and job is done. So guys, thank you so much for watching. Like I said on the previous of the vlog, if I'm showing you a place where I want you guys to go and visit, has something interesting, please do go, because this is something which we both love. Me and my wife love. It's not only me who like going to that place, it's also my wife who's willing to go to that place. So you have to go with your family to chill out. At the moment, we're covering Dubai, Sharjah, Ajman, sometimes Ras Al Khaimah, sometimes Fujairah, sometimes Al Quwain, but very soon we'll be covering for Abu Dhabi. And Abu Dhabi, yes, there's a lot of beautiful places in Abu Dhabi. Yes, we should be covering Abu Dhabi. So yes guys, thank you so much for watching my vlog, and I hope you like my videos. And if you're new to this channel, please press that subscribe button so that you will be on my subscribe list, and don't forget to smash the bell icon. The reason why I'm saying is because any video which I'm going to post in the future, you'll have a notification so you can see the videos, the vlogs. So thank you so much for watching. Once again, Eid Mubarak and Eid Al Adha to all my Muslim brothers and sisters around the globe, and see you guys on the next vlog. Peace.